In this video, I'll detail how to fix Messenger notification bubble not working on Samsung. So if you're using a Samsung Galaxy phone and you discover that whenever you have or you're having a Messenger chat, the bubble does not come up and it does not show on your screen. So here, I'm going to show you how to turn on the chat on Messenger and how you can turn this on if it is not working on your Samsung device. So if I don't know this video, you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go to the Messenger app. So then click on the three lines at top right, click on settings, then scroll down, turn on chat head. See this? So turn this on. Once turn on the chat head, then you should see the Messenger notification bubble comes up. Then if this is not working in your own case on your Samsung device, just go to your Samsung phone settings, and on the settings page, you want to scroll down until you get to apps. Click on that. On the apps page, click on the three dots at top right, click on special access, then tap appear on top, then locate the Messenger app under appear on top. Just keep scrolling until you get to the Messenger app. Here, then make sure this is enabled. If it is disabled, turn this on, and once that is enabled, go back to the Messenger app, tap settings again, then you want to turn on chat head. Then once that is enabled, whenever you have any incoming message on your Samsung device on Messenger, you should see the chat head or the notification bubbles. So that's how you can really fix Messenger notification bubble not working on Samsung Galaxy device. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.